Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore sky replacements using Adobe After Effects and masks. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe After Effects and loading your project. Import the footage that you want to work with into the project panel. Drag the footage onto the timeline to create a new composition. Select the layer of the footage in the timeline where you want to restore the sky. Navigate to the Effects panel and apply the key light effect to your footage. In the key light settings, use the eyedropper tool to select the sky area you want to replace. Adjust the screen gain and screen balance settings to refine the keying and improve the transparency of the original sky. Next, create a new solid layer for your new sky replacement. Choose your desired color or image for the new sky and click OK. Arrange the new solid layer below your original footage layer in the timeline. Select the original footage layer and draw a mask around the area where the sky is located. Use the mask feathering option to soften the mask edges for a smoother blend. Fine-tune the mask path by animating it if necessary, especially if the footage involves camera movement. Next, adjust the transform properties of the new sky layer to fit the scene appropriately. Use the blend modes on the sky layer to achieve a more natural blend with the background. Make color corrections on the new sky layer to match the overall color palette of your scene. If desired, add any additional effects, such as clouds or lighting adjustments, to enhance realism. Preview the animation to ensure everything looks seamless and natural, making adjustments as necessary. Once satisfied, render out your composition to finalize the sky replacement. Review the rendered video for quality and ensure the transitions are smooth throughout the footage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.